What's up friends, today I am again come with another unboxing, and today I am going to unbox a new Adidas shoes, and the name of these shoes were Adidas GLISSADE made color outdoor shoes. Let's see the box. This is the box. It's a very big box. I brought it a 7 size shoes, but the box is a very big. Let's open it. There's the original box, the main box, the product. The box is had dents in it, but it's a good quality box. No problem. Another. Okay. Just open it. This is only a paper. This is a customized paper from Adidas. I don't know if you see this. There is a little Adidas branding. See that? This was Adidas branding in it. On it, it's Adidas branding here. It's almost like the Adidas branding. You can't see it properly because of the light was very. So this is the main shoe. The color was very rich and premium, and it seems like a very heavy shoe and a very durable shoe as well. This is actually a running shoe, but the grip was very good. This was an Adidas branding here, and the color, the richness, everything was very good, very good. And this comes with another pair. Keep inside this box. Here's another one. So these two. This look like a basketball shoe. No, this is a basketball shoe. Look like a basketball shoe. The shoe is very heavy, but not so much, but heavy in the others unboxing. I unboxed other shoes. This was the most heaviest shoes I ever unboxed, but the quality and the strength of the shoe was in another level. If you see that, the grip was a very good grip, and see that the grips, that was a Taxion. So this is the unboxing of Adidas GLISSADE mid outdoor shoes, running shoes actually. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel. Make sure to press the bell button and give a like. Thank you very much.